Hi, I'm Aaron Royster, one of the product managers with Shunk USA. So we're here in front of the 2D Smart Grasping Kit from Shunk. So what makes this a special application kit is you pair a camera, any camera, the system is camera agnostic, with a pneumatic or a mechatronic gripper. And then over here in the back you'll see a PC that's driven by the NVIDIA Jetson Orin processor. And this kit brings AI to grasp planning. The reason that's important is there can be complexities behind chaotic picking of work pieces. So the system is able to take around 20 pictures, a person takes those images, and then they run a learn process where the images are labeled, identified, and then it can plan the positions on its own and learn to go faster through that process. So it can also identify non-pick areas, so you can really hone in your automation process and make sure that you're considering any of those sensitive areas that might have breakage or anything like this. The 2D Grasping Kit from Shunk was awarded the Hermes Award at the Hanover Messe Show for 2024. And that technology was awarded because of the combination of mechanical hardware together with innovation through the Shunk developed AI software to plan grasp positions.